Welcome to my mathematics class, 6th class mathematics semester 2, mensuration. We have been doing the mensuration problems for the past 2 or 3 videos. Now we will solve some problems on perimeter of rectangle and square, etc. So coming to this problem, see, find the perimeter of a rectangle whose length and breadth are 150 centimeters and 1 meter. So first we have to write the steps. Length of the rectangle, it is denoted by L. L is given as 150 centimeters. Next, breadth of the rectangle B is equal to 1 meter. But as the length is given in centimeters, we have to convert this also into centimeters. We know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. Therefore, breadth is equal to 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. And the formula for the perimeter of the rectangle is perimeter of the rectangle is equal to 2 into L plus B. So, we will simply substitute the values of L and B and find the perimeter. That is equal to 2 into L 150 plus B 100 centimeters. Both have to take in the same units, centimeters. That is equal to 2 into 150 plus 100, 250. 2 into 250, 2 into 250 is equal to 500 centimeters. So the perimeter of that rectangle is equal to 500 centimeters. Now we will just verify it. Let the rectangle be this, and this is 150 centimeters, and this is given as 1 meter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. For a rectangle, opposite sides are equal. Therefore, this is also equal to the length, and this is equal to the breadth, 100 centimeters. So the perimeter is the 150, 100 plus 150 plus 100. 150 plus 100, 250. 250 plus 150 is equal to 400. 400 plus 100 is equal to 500. Therefore, 500 centimeters. Perimeter of this rectangle is equal to 500 centimeters. Next problem. A farmer has a rectangular field of length and breadth 240 meters and 180 meters. 240 meters and 180 meters. That is the measurements of the rectangular field of a farmer. The length is 240 meters and the breadth is 180 meters. He wants to fence it with the 3 rounds of rope as shown in figure. What is the total length of the rope he must use? So the field lengths are 250 meters and 180 meters. So perimeter of that field is equal to 2 into L plus B is equal to 2 into L is 240 meters and B is 180 meters. So that is equal to 2 into 240 plus 180. We will add 8 0 ones, 8 plus 4 12, 1 carrying 2 420. 2 into 420 is equal to 840 meters. So the perimeter of the rectangular field is 840 meters. But the farmer wants to fence it 3 rounds along his field, 3 rounds. Therefore, perimeter is the length of the border 1 round. So 3 rounds, 3 times to the perimeter is equal to 3 into 840. That is equal to 3 into 0, 0. 3 4s 12. 3 8s 24 plus 1, 25. So many meters. So he needs 2520 meters of fence. So if you convert it into kilometers, we have to divide it by 1000. That is equal to 2.520 kilometer. Because it is 1000, there are 3 zeros here. We have to put a point after 3 digits from right to left. 1, 2, 3. 2.520. so many kilometers. 5, this 0 has no value, therefore we can write it as 2.52 kilometers. Therefore farmer needs 2.52 kilometers of the fencing because he wants to put 3 rounds. So if he put 1 round, he needs only 840 meters. So for 3 rounds he needs 2520 meters, that is equal to 2.52 kilometers. The next problem is find the cost of fencing a rectangular park of length 250 meters and breadth 175 meters at the rate of rupees 12 per meter. So find the cost of fencing a rectangular park of length 250 meters and breadth 175 meters at the rate of rupees 12 per meter. So there is a rectangular park like this. Its length is 250 meters and breadth is 175 meters. So the fencing, he wants to fence it. So we have to find the perimeter of the park. Perimeter of the park is equal to 2 into L plus B. Rectangular park, therefore perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 into L plus B, that is equal to 2 into L length 250 meters plus B 175 meters. That is equal to, adding these two, 175 plus 200, 300, 425 and 2 into, or you can put here and add 175, 5, 12, 4, 425 meters, that is equal to 850 meters. So the perimeter is 850 meters. The cost of the fencing per meter is given as 12 rupees. The cost of fencing per meter. But the total length is 850 meters. Therefore, the total cost for the fencing is equal to 800 meters into 12. For each meter of fence, we need 12 rupees. Therefore, 850 into 12. That is equal to 12 zeros 0. 12 fives 60. 6 is there. 12 eights 96. 96 plus 6 112. So much of rupees. So 850 into 12 is equal to 11,200 rupees. Again we will multiply 850 into 12. 12 zeros 0, 12 fives 60, 12 eights 96, 96 plus 6 112. So the cost of fencing is equal to 11,200 rupees. Next we will see the perimeter of regular shapes. Regular shapes means rectangle, square, triangle, hexagon, pentagon, etc. So here Viswas wants to put colored tape all around a square picture of side 1 meter as shown. So there is a square picture whose side is 1 meter. In a square, all the sides are equal. Therefore, this is also equal and this is also equal. So all the sides are equal. It is called a square. What will be the length of the colored tape he requires? He wants to put a colored tape all around this picture. Therefore, all along the boundary, that is equal to the perimeter. Therefore, perimeter of this square of the picture is equal to 1 meter plus 1 meter plus 1 meter plus 1 meter, that is equal to 4 meters. So 4 meters of the colored tape is required to put around this picture. Each side is equal to S. Then the perimeter is S plus S plus S plus S, 4S. Therefore, the formula for perimeter of the square, perimeter of a square is equal to 4 into side, 4S. This is the formula. P is equal to 4S. This is perimeter of the square. And the perimeter of a rectangle is 2 into L plus B, where L is the length of the rectangle and B is the breadth of the rectangle. Now we will do some problems on perimeter of a square. Find the distance travelled by Shaina if she takes 3 rounds of a square park of side 70 m. So there was a park in the shape of a square and each side of the park is 70 meters. So find the distance travelled when Shaina take 1 round along the border. So the perimeter of the square is equal to 4S. That is equal to 4 into 70 is equal to 4 sevens 28 0 meters. So if Shaina takes 1 round, she walked a distance equal to 280 meters. Perimeter of the square park. Next, Pinky runs around a square field of side 75 meter. Pinky runs around a square field of side 75 meters. Bob runs around a rectangular field with length 160 meters. Pinky runs around a square field of side 75 meters. Bobby runs along a square field of field of length side 160 meters. Bob runs around a rectangular field of length 160 meters and breadth 150 meters. Breadth 105 meters and breadth 105 meters. Who covers more distance and by how much? Who covers more distance and how much? Pinky covered 1 round along a square feet of 75 meters. Therefore, the length she covered is 4S. That is equal to 4 into 75 is equal to 275 is 150. Therefore, 475 is 300 meters. So, Pinky covered 300 meters. And Bob covered 1 round along a rectangular field whose length is 160 and breadth is 105 meters. So the perimeter of that rectangular field is 2 into L plus B. 2 into 160 plus 105, that is equal to 2 into 160 plus 105, 265. 265. That is equal to 2 5s 10, 2 6 12 plus 1 13, 2 2s 4 plus 1 5, 530 meters. 30 meters. So who took more distance? Bob traveled more distance. By how much? 530 minus 300. That is equal to 230 meters. So he took 230 meters more distance than Pink.